Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. Today we're going to dive into a comparison of the tools we'll be exploring throughout our course. In this course, we're focusing on 4 main tools for vibe coding. I'll introduce these tools today, show you how to use them, and highlight their differences. But before we get into the demo, let me share how I create prompts. I usually turn to ChatGPT for generating prompts. For instance, I requested a prompt for our comparison video. Initially, it included emojis, so I asked it to remove them. Now that we have our prompt ready, we can use it to showcase all 4 apps. This will help us see how the results vary, allowing you to determine which one suits you best. Let's copy the prompt and start with our first tool, Lovable. Lovable is probably the most popular among these tools, and it's quite user-friendly. We'll delve deeper into Lovable in one of the course sections. Basically, it functions like ChatGPT. You simply chat with it and it delivers results. All tools mentioned in this video utilize a chat feature. You type your prompt and it generates a result. We've created our prompt and used it. Let's see how it functions. Here you can observe how it processes the task. You have options to add or edit, and once it's done, it provides suggestions for improvements. It's a great way to assess its capabilities. This is a web-based tool, so no need to download it. While it's working, let me introduce you to another tool, V0 by Versal. It has a similar appearance to Lovable. It also resembles ChatGPT or DeepSeek. You can type, import from Figma, or clone a screenshot. We'll explore this more in the course. Let's import our prompt. You have the option to read or rewrite it for personal use. Let's go ahead and send it. The chat interface here is akin to ChatGPT or Gemini chat. It breaks down requirements and generates a screen. It's in progress, but once it's done, you'll see the result. One advantage of these tools is that you can view the outcome. Here it is. You can untoggle to see it in full view. Here's how it unfolds. It displays button arrangements and other elements. It looks impressive. What's also great is the code visibility. You get a glimpse of how your website or project is being constructed. Regarding V0, it offers a different look. Choose what appeals to you, then publish or deploy to production. Here's how it appears. We've discussed non-downloadable apps, but there are more complex ones too. Let's explore them, starting with Cursor. Cursor resembles a coding tool, and at first glance it may seem a bit complex. No worries, we'll cover this in our lessons. We add a new chat, input our prompt, and can include context as well. We'll delve into its features in another section. For now, we're generating a new app which includes writing code and occasionally asking for change approvals. While it might not always prompt you, be prepared for it. For instance, here's the code. You'll find it at the bottom, and accepting it reveals the output. It shows what was used, allowing you to copy the code and view the result. The code is ready, so all you need to do is review it to understand its operation. Our next tool is Windsurf, which is similar to Cursor in terms of interface. Let's go ahead and import our prompt here as well. It will proceed to generate a file. It might take some time as AI processes require time to think, write code, and analyze requests. Occasionally, technical issues might arise. As you can see, it's not created yet. We'll pause our interaction here since it might take a while. However, it functions similarly to Cursor, ultimately providing a link to preview the website, unlike Cursor. Previewing in your browser offers a clearer perspective on functionality. These are the tools, and this is how they work. Be sure to explore each one. We'll discuss each tool in more detail in individual course sections. Use ChatGPT for creating prompts. Clear instructions will help coding tools to better interpret them. Try these tools out for yourself, and I'll catch you